Hi everyone. So today I'm going to show you an empty apartment tour of my temporary apartment that I'll be staying in until my apartment downstairs is ready. So you come up those stairs and this is the hallway. You go through this door, the doorknobs, the details are so nice. You have these spotlight lighting. If it can dim. Then you have the storage closet, another storage closet, bathroom, which the doors are so cool. They're these barn doors. See? But they're like classy barn doors. And this is the bathroom, shower. It's a waterfall shower, it's so cute. My uncle designs all of this. He's amazing. Okay, and then you walk in here. Oh wait, oh my God, I didn't even show you my best favorite part in the bathroom. There's also the dimmers here for the lights on the mirror. Oh, don't look at me. And then this light is so pretty, it's so cute. You can dim the dimmers on there, and then you can dim this. It's so cute, it looks like a flower, so pretty. Okay, so now we're in the kitchen. And there's a washer and dryer. The sink is really cool. It's like one of these, and then you press the button and it sprays. I'm not gonna turn it on because I don't want to waste water. There's a dishwasher. My flowers that I got, my date got me. And then I keep all my snacks in this drawer. Then you have the stove and the oven, and then the awesome freezer. So then go in here, and this is the bedroom. Don't mind that stuff. This is like a sweater and some candy I was eating. But I love the drapes, and we have such high ceilings. Another cute light fixture in here, but also spotlights, and they can dim. And the globe, I like to call it, can dim as well. It's so cute. But yeah, and then I just have like these little tables for like my books and like my candle. My account executive got me this. It's like those birthday candles that say like everyone has their own birthday candle from this place. It's really cool. And they have like a whole little saying on here, children of June 9th value fairness and justice, and then there's a whole thing based on that. And then my diffuser, I have my little TVs there. So, okay, wait, this part is so cute. So the doors are gonna be painted, but these are the doors right now. So cute. They're French doors. So you open this up, and I'm gonna put all my clothes in here for now. So I just have like my hamper in that there, and like a row, like a hook on the door. And then there's this light. But that one too is so cute, and they have spotlights in here as well. A spotlight. Yeah. And then without the spotlights, you just have it like that. It's really cute. You can also dim this light in here. But yeah, that's nice. So then you come into here, and this is the office where I work sometimes. Most days I honestly work from the bed. But yeah, this door leads, and that door leads to the hallway where we just came through. My doors. So coming here, and then like there's this little table here, and then there's that cute light fixture again that's in the next room over there. And then that's my laptop and the monitors. And then I'm not sure if these doors are working because like they just fixed these like side pieces because there were like poles there before. I don't know what's going on there, but it's really cute. But yeah, and so like these are the doors, and then this is like the living room, dining room area. So cute. And then we have that light fixture that was in the bedroom in here. It's so adorable. Like, oh my God, my uncle has the best taste. But yeah, so hey. And then that's like the outside front area. And then there's another small little bedroom in here. And there's like the doorway, the stairs and everything. And then there's like a tiny closet in here too. But yeah, that's pretty much it. This is the apartment that I'm enjoying and living in. I've been living in since December, and it's February right now. But yeah, it's really, really cute. I feel awesome living in it, but honestly, I don't even use that little room we just came out of or this room. I really just use this room a little bit. this room for my clothes. My clothes are in here, but like they were showing the space, so I took everything out. I'm going to move it all back in. So I was like, ooh, I might as well do an empty apartment tour. But yeah, that's it. You can see the outside usually, but it's dark right now, so you can't see anything. But that's all